you. Uh, anyways, you can see I'm in the empty folder, right? So I will just open the command prompt. So I'm using cmder in place of cmd. I like it. That's the reason I use it. So let's create a new project. So I have this Angular CLI installed, right? So you can have it installed and you know how to install Angular CLI. So new. Let's create hello Angular. So it will take some time to create. Now, when it creates a new project, it will go and download the dependencies, right? Oh, it has created a. Wow, I didn't know. Hold on. So ls cd. It's not there. Looks like something has changed. Hold on. It has been some months for me that I last worked with Angular. Am I doing it the right way? Engineer. Hey, this is what it is. Creating a new Angular project. Why it is not working for me? Let me install Angular CLI globally. Because anyways, this is the first step towards installing the Angular CLI. And then we use Angular CLI to play around and manage Angular project. So it will take some time. Let it finish. You can see how I have updated Angular CLI as well. Right? So I can say ng new hello Angular. Yes, now it is going through. So earlier it was not working, now it is going through. So would you like to add Angular routing? I will say yes. What support do I need? CSS, SCSS. Now since this fellow Fuse team is working on SCSS, we can take SCSS, but let us go ahead with CSS. So once you are comfortable with CSS part of Angular, SCSS should not be a big deal, right? If you want to go ahead with CSS, feel free. Done. हो गया क्या? ls. I do not have anything in here. What's happening, Bhaiya? Why it is not creating a project? Hey, CSS thing did not go through. SCSS thing is going through. So please check this part as well, right? So since I'm coming back to Angular after some good 4, 5, I think good 8, 5, 6 months, I think 8, 9 months. Let it finish. It will take some time. And in the meanwhile, I will go ahead and create a repo on GitHub. Then I will go and commit this code. So create a new repo, fsdiast, and let's have it like Angular truffle, right? So I will have it as private, create. So this is where I will commit, right? So I will copy this fellow. I will use it later on. So let it finish the installation. So you might want to skip this process, right? So since you do not plan to have the dependencies downloaded, right? So you can skip this process. Hold on, let me skip this. I've terminated this fellow. Hold on. Continue. Skip. We will take care of the dependencies in the Gitpod scenario. So the thing is skip skip Yeah, skip install, right? So this is the argument I will use. So ng new angular hello world skip install. So that will create a new project for me. Hold on, what happened? Skip install. Fine, so it has created a project. So if you see ls, I have this, what was the project name? I forgot. Hello, angular hello. Angular hello, this one. cd2 angular hello ls. So if you take a look, this one, angular hello. You do not have npm install, right? That means dependencies are not there. So let us commit it. So I will paste that. I copied that remote URL now. You can do it with source tree as well if you are comfortable there. Nothing to commit. Why? I too created a project now, and I did git add dot. Yeah. Fine. So if you go and take a look in the remote repo, we should be having it. So now you have this, right? So now you have this Gitpod button. So I can click on this Gitpod button, and you know how to get this Gitpod button, right? So you can say Gitpod Chrome extension. Yeah, this one. So you need to install this extension. So if you install this extension, it will give you that button, right? So let us click on this so that it will open our hello world of Angular in. So it will ask you to log in with GitHub, right? So since ours is a private repo, it will do the necessary authentication and all those things. So it will proceed from there. I have already done it. Run gp url 8080 in terminal to print the preview URL for that port. Finish. Okay, so here we are. And here now, since I'm in my project, I can run npm install. So it is not setting up anything locally. It is everything is in the cloud. Right? So it should be really fast. Let it finish, and then we will say ng serve. Boom, and it should work. Or else we will install Angular CLI and see how it works. Okay, something happened. Unsupported in Django and all that stuff. Okay, it is It was just a warning, not an error. If error happens, then we have a problem. If warning happens, then it's okay. We can ignore it. Okay, so let us say okay, so hold on. So you can see Angular CLI did get installed on the CNG. So let's see if it works. Yeah. So it's compiling now. So was kind of switching between one place to another between. I was also having a chat. A service is available on port 4200. Make public. Yes, I have to make it public, or else how will that work? So fine. So looks like localhost. I think click it or control click it to see the output here. Yeah, boom. Here we have it, and I can even take a look inside in here. No, not coming here. Or maybe let me do one thing. Let me take it like this and take it like this. No, not this. What was that? Sorry. Yeah. Minimize this fellow. So on the right hand side we have our Angular rendering, Angular deployed, and here we have the code. Let me stop. Okay, so here I will go and make some changes, right, so that you will know how a real-time deployment is working, real-time reload and real-time transpilation is working. Source app component HTML is what we have. That's Angular hello, right? So hold on, app component yes. So here we have Angular hello. So here it is, change, saved, and here it should deploy in real time. Aja bhaiya. Did I not save you? Hold on. Let me reload this fellow once. It's coming hello Praful, but it did not come with the live reload, right? Again. It's building now. So we should see the output over here. It's compiled, but why it is not coming over here? Why do I have to reload? So I should not be required to reload, right? So that's the only thing over here. Okay. So in short, this is the way you can have your Angular app running. So you should not be required to do the reload for the browser. I'm required to do it. So let's see. Yeah, I'm stopping it here. So this is the way you can, I think, go ahead and play around with Angular in the Gitpod. Yeah, chalo, bye.